In this video, I will show you how to take the LG dryer apart and how to put it back together again properly. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Remove these 3 screws. And remove this panel. Remove these 4 screws. Remove the controls panel and let it hang by the wires like this. Just be careful that you don't break any wires, okay? Remove these screws on the left side of the controls panel holding bracket. And the screws on the right side of the bracket. Disengage the control panel holding bracket. And lay it down on top of the dryer for now. Disconnect the wires from the door switch. From a wire cord hanger, make something like this to help you hold the front panel in place until you remove the screws holding the panel in place. Open the dryer door. And remove these 2 screws. Close the dryer door. Remove the cord hanger wire that is holding the front panel in place. And remove the front panel. Disconnect the wires from the drum interior light. Disconnect the wires from the moisture sensor. Remove these 4 screws from the front drum support panel. Also remove this screw from the blower housing. Disengage the front drum support panel and take it out. Grab the controls panel and the bracket and let them hang by the wires like this. Use a piece of duct tape like this to hold the belt in place so it won't move around. Lean the dryer against the wall like this, making sure that it's not going to fall off. Stick your hands under the drum and derail the belt from the motor and idler pulleys. Lower the dryer down. Remove the tape holding the belt in place. Grab the belt and use it to help you remove the drum. Now you have access to the different parts inside of the dryer, like the drum rollers, the thermostats, the heating element, the blower wheel, the motor, the idler or belt tensioner or pulley, and the belt switch. Now let's put the dryer back together. Put the drum in place. Make sure that the drum rides on top of the drum rollers. Turn the drum a few times to make sure that it's riding on the rear rollers. When you put the belt around the drum, make sure that it looks like this, and not like this. This is the wrong way. Go ahead and put the belt around the drum. Tape the belt to the drum like this to keep it in place. Lean the dryer against the wall and make sure it's not going to fall down. Put your hands under the drum and put the belt on the motor and idle pulleys. Like this. Stand up the dryer. Remove the tape that is holding the belt in place. And rotate the drum until the belt aligns itself. Put the controls panel on the bracket on top of the dryer. Put the front drum support panel in place. Making sure that the drum rises on top of the front rollers. Secure it in place with the 4 holding screws. Connect the wires of the moisture sensor. Connect the wires of the drum interior light. Put the front panel in place. And use the coat hanger wire to hold it in place. Open the dryer door and screw in the 2 holding screws. Then close the door. Connect the wires to the door switch. Install the controls panel holding bracket. And secure it with the screws. Install the controls panel in place and secure it with the holding screws. Put the top cover in place and secure it with the holding screws. That was a way to take apart an LG dryer and put it back together again. In the incoming videos I will show you how to take care of most of the repairs on this dryer. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.